You are watching The Mouse Break, your home for all things Disney and more. If you enjoy your time here, you can find us on your favorite social media channels, and remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when new videos go live. Spending a day at Disneyland is a lot of fun, and to unlock that fun, your phone and the Disneyland app are great tools. But between Genie Plus, mobile ordering, checking wait times, PhotoPass, taking pictures, and recording videos, your phone's battery can drain quickly. Portable chargers are now commonplace, but what if you forget yours? That's where FuelRod steps in. A FuelRod is a 2600 milliamp portable charger that can be purchased at kiosks sprinkled around Disneyland Resort and used to recharge your phone. The initial cost is $30 plus tax. When you approach a kiosk, press buy on the screen, accept the terms and conditions, select the quantity 1, 2, or 3, swipe your payment method, and you're done. You'll receive the FuelRod, a lightning adapter for an iPhone, a micro USB adapter to charge the device, and a USB-C adapter for all other phones. When you exhaust it, you may exchange it at any of the same kiosks that you can purchase it from, free of charge. Simply select swap, drop your FuelRod in the slot, grab your new one below, and you're on your way. You can exchange your FuelRod at other locations throughout the United States as well, such as major airports, convention centers, theme parks, and zoos, but swap fees may apply. FuelRod locations are spread throughout the Disneyland Resort. At Disneyland Park there are 6 locations, 1 on Main Street, USA, 2 in Fantasyland, 1 near It's a Small World, and 2 in Critter Country. At Disney California Adventure there are 4 locations, 1 each on Buena Vista Street and Hollywood Boulevard, and 1 each in Cars Land and Pixar Pier. Outside the parks, there is 1 at the entrance to Downtown Disney, 1 at Disneyland Hotel, and 1 at the Pixar Place Hotel. So how much charge can you expect out of a FuelRod? Here's an example. A standard iPhone 14's battery capacity is 3300 milliamps. That means the 2600 milliamp FuelRod can charge your iPhone to about 75% when fully depleted. We recommend to start charging your phone when it's above 25% to get the best use out of the charger. The kiosks aren't the only place you can purchase FuelRods. FuelRods can be purchased at retailers such as Amazon and Walmart before heading to the parks. At Amazon, you can save a minimum of $8 on one single FuelRod, or $25 on 2 FuelRods. Occasionally, Amazon offers a 10% coupon as an additional discount. Also note, the single kit on Amazon comes with 2 sets of cables as well, so a nice bonus. And that's it. While a FuelRod might not be the most optimal portable charger, the convenience and potential to save your day at Disneyland Resort could be invaluable. Have you had an experience with FuelRods, good or bad? Let us know down in the comments below.